If you own a home in Suffolk County and you've been thinking about selling, you've probably been going back and forth on the best way to do it. Should you list with an agent? Should you try selling it yourself? Or should you look into selling directly for cash? Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what happens when you sell your Suffolk County home to a cash buyer, step by step. No hype, no sales pitch, just the real process, the real numbers, and what you can actually expect. Let's start with where the Suffolk County market stands right now, because context matters. As of the most recent data from Redfin, the median sale price in Suffolk County hit $680,000. That's up about 4.5% from last year, and it matched a record high. Homes are going under contract in about 34 days on average. So the market is strong, values are high, and there's real equity in most Suffolk County homes. But here's the other side of that story. Property taxes in Suffolk County are among the highest in the entire nation. The median annual property tax bill in Suffolk is about $9,472 a year. That's almost 3 times the national average. For a lot of homeowners, especially those on fixed incomes, dealing with a life change or just tired of the monthly burden, those taxes are a major reason they start thinking about selling. Now, if you go the traditional route, listing with an agent, here's what the math looks like. On a $680,000 home, agent commissions at 5 to 6% come out to somewhere between $34,000 and $41,000. That's money that comes directly off your proceeds. Then you've got closing costs, typically another 2 to 3%. You might need to make repairs or updates to get the home market ready. And while you're waiting those 3 to 5 months for a buyer to close, you're still paying the mortgage, the insurance, the taxes, and the maintenance. Those carrying costs add up fast. This is why more Suffolk County homeowners are looking at cash sales. Let me walk you through exactly how the process works with the property father. Step 1. You contact us. You can call us directly at 516-548-6558 or fill out the form on our website at thepropertyfather.com. You tell us about your property, the location, the condition, your situation. We're not here to judge anything. We're here to understand what you're working with and what you need. Step 2, we evaluate the property and make you a cash offer. We look at recent comparable sales in your specific Suffolk County neighborhood. We factor in the condition of the home and the current market, and we present you with a real number, backed by real funds, usually within 24 to 48 hours. We'll walk you through exactly how we arrived at that number. There are no hidden formulas and no surprises, and there's absolutely no obligation to accept. Step 3, if you like the offer, you choose your closing date. Need to move fast? We can close in as little as 7 days. Need a few weeks to figure out your next move? We'll work on your timeline. Whether you're in Babylon, Islip, Brookhaven, Smithtown, Huntington, or Riverhead, the process works the same way. Now, here's what catches a lot of people off guard in a good way. When you sell to a cash buyer like the property father, you pay 0 in agent commissions. You pay 0 in closing costs. You pay 0 in repair costs. The number we offer you is the number you walk away with. Compare that to the traditional route where you could lose $50,000 to $60,000 or more in commissions, fees, repairs, and carrying costs on a median price Suffolk home. I also want to be upfront about something. A cash offer is not going to be full retail price. We're investors, and we need to account for repairs, holding costs, and resale risk on our end. But when you factor in everything you save, the commissions, the repairs, the months of mortgage payments, the uncertainty of a deal falling through, a lot of homeowners find that the net number from a cash sale is closer to what they'd actually pocket from a traditional sale than they expected. Sometimes it's even better. So who does a cash sale make the most sense for? If your home needs work and you don't have the budget to fix it up, we buy it exactly as it is. If you're going through a divorce and need to divide assets quickly, we can close before the legal process drags on. If you've inherited a property and don't want to manage it, we handle everything. If you're relocating and can't wait 6 months, we move on your schedule. If you're a Suffolk County homeowner and you want to know what your home is worth in a cash sale, give us a call at 516-54-86558 or visit thepropertyfather.com. We'll give you a free, no-obligation offer, and you can compare it to whatever an agent tells you. No pressure, no gimmicks, just a straight answer from a local buyer based right here on Long Island.